They call it frango churrasco. We're always looking for fun cities to lay over when we travel. One time, we were supposed to be in Lisbon for just 24 hours, but because a storm hit, we were stuck there for a full week. Without an itinerary, without a plan at all, we just spent the whole time eating and walking everywhere. One of the most popular dishes in Portugal is Piri Piri Chicken. It's a grilled chicken that's been marinated in a spicy red pepper sauce. The dish gets its sauce from the main pepper. What? The dish gets its... I said the dish gets its sauce. The dish gets its name from the main pepper in the sauce, the piri piri, the piri piri, or the peri peri. It's all those things. Even though the Portuguese spread it, it actually originated in Mozambique and other surrounding South African countries. And that makes sense because pili pili is Swahili for pepper. Because of all of these different influences, you'll find different versions of the sauce. My version has 11 different ingredients, so let's get started. To build our sauce, we're going to add a bunch of ingredients to our blender. Starting off with our oil, and then we have our 3 piri piri peppers. If you don't like it so spicy, use less, but I like a good amount of heat in mine. Then we have some chili peppers that are a little spicy, but milder than the piri piri. Next goes in our red bell pepper. This adds the vibrant red color, but it also adds a bit of sweetness, which is also important for the sauce. Next is our smoked paprika. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of this, and it's really important because the dish is usually barbecued outside, and since we're not gonna have that natural smoke, we wanna add it in here with the smoked paprika. Next is some onion, and then some garlic. Then we have salt, pepper, and our last 2 ingredients, some lemon juice and a 1/4 cup of brandy. All right, now that all of our ingredients are in, let's close this up and blend it till it's totally smooth. Now that our sauce is made, we're gonna split it into 2 parts. Half we're gonna save to marinate our chicken, and the other half we're gonna reduce down till it's thickened and cooked for our sauce on the side. Our chicken has been cleaned and patted dry, and now we're going to take out the backbone so we can lay it flat like a butterfly, or spatchcocked. So first, you just flip it over, and then use some kitchen shears to cut along each side of the backbone. Then you're gonna take your knife to slice right here, and then use your hands to press it flat. Then you'll be able to take out the sternum, and your chicken will be perfectly butterflied. So, before we add our marinade, I'm just gonna loosen the skin all over so that once we pour it on, it has a chance to get everywhere. Pour on your marinade, flip it over, make sure it's on both sides, and now we're gonna cover this and stick it in the fridge for 3 hours or even better, overnight. You can cook your chicken however you like. If you wanna take it outside and barbecue, perfect. If you wanna cook it in the oven, that'll work too. I cooked mine in the oven on a grill pan at 400 degrees. It takes about 45 minutes to an hour. Traditionally, this chicken dish is served with French fries and a tomato and onion salad. This is not your average barbecue. It's spicy, it's sweet, it's tangy from that lemon juice. It's just so good. The grilled chicken itself won't be too spicy. So if you're not a fan of spice, you'll be fine. But if you do want to add some extra heat to it, that's what this extra sauce is for. Just pour it right on top. For more rapid fire travels and just a bunch of other fun stuff, be sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, please like and comment. If you have any questions, let me know.